Earlier this month, I went down to the Tuttle Creek Off-Road Park near Randolph, Kansas with the Nebraska Jeep Club for their 7th annual beginners off-road run. If it hasn't been completely obvious, yes, I am still a beginner. This is my 3rd time off-roading this diesel Gladiator, so I was looking forward to this trip. Last time I was down there, the truck was completely stock. Now we've got AEV's 2.5-inch lift kit. We've got 37-inch Mickey Thompsons, so I was excited to see what kind of a difference that made, and sure enough, it made a big difference. After a quick driver's meeting here, we split into groups, and it was time to hit the trails. I'm not going to do a whole lot of narrating in this video. It's mostly just a collection of the highlights, so I hope you enjoy. Please do all the standard YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe. It really was surprising to me after I started making videos how much those buttons really do help creators out, so every one of those buttons you hit, I really do appreciate it. Thank you.
(22, 23 degree drop). Yeah.
This is our group leader going up first, showing everybody how it's done.
Yep, keep on it, keep on it, keep on it.
Momentum, yep. Oh.
All right, stop. Gas, gas. Okay, stop. Perfect. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Good job.
Good job.
Whoa.
Stop. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
There you go.
Perfect.
Keep going. Keep on it, keep on it, keep on it.
This is the one, the Gladiator from last year, right, Don?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know. I wonder if
There you go. Keep on it, keep on it, keep on it, keep on it, keep on it. Keep on it. There you go.
good job.
Nice smelly water.
Well, this one's like...
Just like that.
You want to be, once he gets up on here, you want to be on the side. There you go, good job. Perfect, good job.
Easy peasy.
Just be able to crawl it with your wheelbase. You shouldn't have to give it a whole bunch of gas, all right? Perfect.
Now everybody wants a Gladiator.
Fred, take it nice and slow. You're okay. You're okay. All right. Take it nice and slow. Okay, nope. Right there. Keep your tires right like that. Pointed just like that. Okay, you're coming off that second lip. First one is going to be in. Keep coming. 3. Slow. Nice and slow.
Good job.
Awesome job. Awesome job. Hey, take her straight. You're going to start coming down in the front. Right about now. Take it nice and slow. There you go. Perfect. You know that, driver? Right there. You're coming off the second lip. Take it nice and slow. You'll start coming off the first one in 3, 2. You're going to start coming off. So break it. Break it. Perfect. Good job. Downhill.
Okay.
Finally got you, Jason.
Nice. Nice.
Okay, nice and slow. Coming down in 3, 2, 1. Nice and slow. Good job. Absolutely perfect.
Once we all made it to the top of this obstacle, we turned around and went back down the other way.
Hey, you, get in!
Me get in?
He says get in.
Well, where's the fun of that?
Your other left.
Good job.
Nice. Very
Professional.
good.
No clunks.
No.
That was a good one.
Once the day was pretty much over, they took us to these rocky steps with pretty huge drop-offs. One of the guides took his four-door here down the ledge, and then they asked the rest of us if anybody else wanted to try it. And out of the group of, I think it was 8 or 10 in our group, I was the only volunteer, so you'll see how that went in a second. What you're about to see here is a black diesel Gladiator getting high centered on a big drop off. I think maybe if I'd turned the steering wheel left and right, it would have broken loose and pulled through, maybe. But I was just doing what the guide told me to do. So when he called for some big guys to shake the bumper, I stopped screwing with it. And unfortunately, my cameraman was one of the big guys, so we don't get to see me break loose here. But I did make it down.
Turn your
and it was
wheels
hella
at all?
fun.